Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Makita Chainsaw is probably one of the most versatile and powerful electric chainsaws on the market, ideal for homeowners and professionals alike, boasting a lightweight yet robust design, coupled with impressive cutting performance and safety features. In this video, we will delve into a comprehensive review, exploring its key features, performance capabilities, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right tool for your needs. Number 5. Makita XCU03PT1 Chainsaw Kit. This powerful chainsaw delivers gas saw performance without the gas. It's part of the Makita 18V LXT system, so you already have the batteries you need. It features a Makita-built brushless motor for high power efficiency. Experience the smooth, powerful cutting you expect from a gas saw, but with the benefits of cordless. With a variable speed trigger and a high chain speed of up to 3,940 feet per minute, it provides improved cutting performance for any job. This chainsaw offers toolless chain adjustment for easy maintenance and convenient operation. Keeping it running smoothly is simple. A built-in lock-off lever prevents accidental starts, and a large oil filling port makes maintenance easy. Safety and convenience are built in. The built-in LED light has an auto power-off function to extend battery life. Two 18V LXT batteries provide long-lasting power. It's built with extreme protection technology, XPT, for increased dust and water resistance. It's ready to tackle tough jobs in any condition. Enjoy a quieter, cleaner work environment with this low-noise, zero-emission chainsaw. It's better for you and the environment. What we like. It boasts power equivalent to a gas saw, but without the fumes. If you need cordless convenience and the power to tackle various tasks, this is the one for you. This model is perfect for professionals and homeowners who value both power and portability. What people say. The chain speed seemed close to what I'm used to with gas chainsaws, but it seemed odd to work so well making so little noise. It has a flow adjustment for the bar and chain oil, but the factory setting seems good. It is well made like all Makita stuff, with good weight balance, making it easy to control. In fact, it feels and works just like a small gas chainsaw. Number 4. Makita XCU04PT1 Chainsaw. Say hello to the future of cutting. This powerful chainsaw eliminates the hassle of gas, oil, and pull cords, making your work easier and cleaner. It's equipped with a Makita-built brushless motor, delivering the power of a 32 cubic centimeters gas chainsaw, but without the noise and emissions. This chainsaw runs on two 18V LXT batteries, giving you the power and performance you need without switching battery platforms. Maintaining it is a breeze. The toolless chain adjustment makes upkeep quick and easy. Get precise control with the variable speed trigger and enjoy a high chain speed of up to 3,940 feet per minute for efficient cutting. It offers reduced maintenance needs and operates at low noise levels, making it ideal for various applications. What we like. This chainsaw offers the power of a gas saw in a cordless package, but with a longer bar length for bigger jobs. If you need extra reach and power for larger cutting tasks, this is the ideal choice. It's great for those who need to cut larger branches or logs without the hassle of cords or gas. What people say. The batteries lasted the entire time. It is so nice to be able to put down the saw and it not be running as a gas saw would. The largest oak limb I cut was about 8 inches in diameter and it was no problem to cut. The saw cut well and the batteries lasted actually better than expected. It has safety like all the Makita line where if it can't turn it won't. The chain catcher worked perfectly. The saw is light and easy to maneuver between limbs and branches. This is a thin curve, light-duty chainsaw. It's actually a pretty capable lightweight little saw. It comes with an Oregon chain and you have to assemble it out of the box. The tensioner is actually pretty cool. It is a paddle wheel that is easy to use and better than the ones on gas saws. The battery life is surprisingly long. The oil system is awesome, not as goopy and messy as all of my gas saws. It's really quiet. Number 3. Makita UC4051A Chainsaw. Say hello to effortless cutting with the Makita UC4051A Chainsaw. Its innovative design makes maintenance a breeze. Adjust the blade and chain without any tools. It's quick, easy, and convenient. Experience comfortable operation with the rubberized grip handles. They're designed to fit your hands perfectly. The large trigger switch and soft start feature ensure smooth and controlled startups every time. No more jerky movements. It's built with a current limiter to protect the motor from damage. This means it's built to last. The large oil reservoir with a view window lets you easily monitor the bar oil level. Keeping it well lubricated is simple. It's powered by a convenient corded electric system, providing consistent power for any job. What we like. It's simple to use and maintain, with features designed for ease of operation. If you prioritize ease of use and consistent power without worrying about battery life, this corded option is a great fit. It's a solid choice for homeowners who value simplicity and reliability. What people say. The chain is a low kickback that stays sharp much longer than full chisel designs, and I cut 12 to 14 pines into pieces 15-inch lengths for about 6 hours the first Saturday, and it didn't even need sharpening. It's light, strong, and gas-free. You can also run with a generator. It starts every time. If you push it too hard as chain is dulling, it shuts itself off, but restarts within seconds with the next pull of the trigger, and its overall build quality is wonderful. Number 2. Makita XCU06C Chainsaw. This is the Makita XCU06C, a powerful and compact cordless chainsaw. It's perfect for various tasks around the yard or home. Its top-handle design makes it easy to maneuver for pruning and trimming. Yet it packs the power of a 22 cubic centimeters gas chainsaw. The Makita-built brushless motor provides incredible power and efficiency. Enjoy extended runtime and less maintenance. With a single charge, it can handle up to 175 cuts of 2x2 cedar using a 5.0 Ah battery. That's serious cutting power. It features a torque boost mode to tackle even the densest materials with ease. No job is too tough for this saw. The captured bar nut and lateral chain tensioning make maintenance quick and simple. Spend less time on maintenance and more time working. What we like. This compact saw is perfect for precise work in tight spaces. If you're looking for maneuverability and control for pruning and trimming, this top-handle model is your best bet. It's ideal for those who need a lightweight and easy-to-handle saw for detailed work. What people say. It is super lightweight and really quite unbelievably powerful. It is a great tool for brush cutting, limbering, and all small jobs. It's light enough that I can handle it with one hand, but easily cuts through 3 to 4 branches. Number 1. Makita EA4300F40B Chainsaw. This is the Makita EA4300F40B, a powerful yet lightweight chainsaw. It's designed for ease of use and efficient operation, making any job easier. Starting it up is a breeze thanks to the spring-assisted starter. It requires less effort, getting you to work quickly and efficiently. Maintenance is simple with its toolless filter access. Keeping it clean and running smoothly has never been easier. It features a slide-out baffle, perfect for adapting to different weather conditions. This ensures optimal performance no matter the temperature. It boasts a compact and lightweight design, reducing fatigue during extended use. You'll appreciate its high power-to-weight ratio. Despite its compact size, it packs a powerful punch. Experience the perfect balance of power and maneuverability. What we like. It delivers impressive power with the convenience of a quick and easy start. If you need raw power and don't mind the maintenance of a gas saw, this is a strong contender. This model is perfect for those who prioritize power and don't mind the added maintenance of a gas-powered chainsaw. What people say. Really powerful. Plenty light enough. Starts on the first pull every time. The chain brake is very fast and effective. I did just cut down a 60-foot oak with only this saw, and I will say it ran perfectly both hot and cold. I had no issues with the chain oiler or bar tensioner. The power-to-weight ratio is great. Nothing slows this thing down. Feel is great, balance great, controls don't feel cheap. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.